technology. For more updates and details, please do like, share and subscribe.
Hello friends, welcome back with a new tutorial on MS Excel for the beginners. We are Team Inclusive Globe Technology and I am Oindrila Basu. Today we are going to learn about the use of Find and Replace dialog box and how to go to a specific cell directly within a worksheet with the help of Go to dialog box through screen reader NVDA and using keyboard only. I have already prepared data in B column. Let's see.
Sunday B1, Monday B2, Tuesday B3, Wednesday overflow in B4, Thursday B5, Friday B6, Saturday B7, Sunday B8.
Find and Replace dialog box is multi-tab dialog box. The first tab is for Find and the second tab is for Find and Replace. To access Find tab directly, we will use Ctrl F, and to access Replace tab directly, we will use Ctrl H. Let's see the Find tab first. So I'm pressing Ctrl F.
Find and Replace dialog.
We are in the Find tab and the cursor is blinking on the Find What edit box. Now if you want to only find anything within the worksheet or workbook, then we will use this tab. Suppose I want to find Monday in the sheet, then we have to write Monday in the Find What edit box.
MONDAY.
Now I'm pressing tab.
Options greater button Alt plus T.
More options or advanced options button. I'm coming later. Now I'm pressing tab.
Find all button Alt plus I.
Find all. Now I'm pressing one more tab.
Find next button Alt plus F.
Find next. I'm pressing enter.
Find one colon. Edit Alt plus N Monday.
Now I'm pressing escape key to return back to the worksheet.
Tutorial Excel sheet 1 table Monday B2.
See, Monday has been found at B2. Now let's see the function of Replace tab. I'm pressing Ctrl H.
Find and Replace dialog.
We are in the Find and Replace tab. Here we will get two edit boxes. First one is Find What and second one is Replace With. Let's see.
Find what colon. Edit Alt plus N blank.
Find What. Here we have to write the text that we want to find. I'm writing Sunday.
SUNDAY.
Now I'm pressing tab.
Replace with colon. Edit Alt plus E blank.
Replace with. Here we have to write the text by which we are going to replace the above text. Suppose we are going to replace Sunday by holiday. So I'm writing holiday here.
HOLIDAY.
I'm pressing tab.
Options greater button Alt plus T.
More options or advanced options button. I'm coming later. Now I'm pressing tab.
Replace all button Alt plus A.
Replace all button will replace all the Find What text by the Replace With text. I'm pressing enter.
Microsoft Excel dialog all done. We made 2 replacements. OK button.
2 replacement done. I'm pressing enter for the OK button.
Find and Replace dialog. Replace all button Alt plus A.
It returns back to Find and Replace tab. Now I'm pressing escape key to return back to the worksheet.
Tutorial Excel sheet 1 table holiday B1.
Holiday in B1. Now I'm pressing down arrow.
Monday B2, Tuesday B, Wednesday overflowing, Thursday B5, Friday B6, Saturday B7, holiday B8.
See, all the Sundays are replaced with holiday. I'm opening Find and Replace dialog box again.
Find and Replace dialog.
Let's see the function of other buttons.
Options greater button Alt plus T. Replace all button Alt plus A.
So we have seen Replace All button replaces all the match cases at a time. See the next button.
Replace button Alt plus R.
Replace button will replace one match case at a time.
Find all button Alt plus I.
Find All highlights all the match cases, but it is not useful for us.
Find next button Alt plus F.
By every clicking, it will find the next match case.
Close button.
It is used to close the dialog box. Now I'm pressing one more tab.
Tab control. Replace tab selected Alt plus P.
We are in the Replace tab. It is a multi-tab dialog box, so we can change the tab by arrow keys from here. I am not going to change now. Now I'm pressing tab.
Find what colon. Edit Alt plus N blank. Replace with colon. Edit Alt plus E blank. Options greater button Alt plus T.
Now let's see the advanced options at a glance. So I'm pressing enter here.
Replace with colon. Edit Alt plus E blank.
Now for the advanced options, I'm pressing tab.
Find and replace dialog. Format. Button Alt plus M.
First format button to format find what text. Now I'm pressing tab.
Format. Button Alt plus M.
Second format button to format the replace with text. It means we can apply formatting on both the text. It is useful when we are going to find any formatted text or we want to replace a text with a formatted text. To see the next option, I am pressing tab.
Within colon. Combo box sheet Alt plus H.
Within combo box, the default value is sheet. Now I am pressing down arrow.
Within colon. Combo box workbook.
The default value is sheet and the other value is workbook. It means we can limit the search within the worksheet or we can extend it throughout the workbook. So I'm selecting sheet.
Sheet.
Now I'm pressing tab for the next option.
Search colon. Combo box by rows Alt plus S.
The default value is by rows and the other value is by columns. If we go with the default value, then search will be conducted row wise. I'm pressing tab.
Look at colon. Combo box formulas Alt plus L.
Look in combo box means what we are going to look in. The default value is formula. Now I'm pressing tab.
Match case checkbox not checked Alt plus C.
Match case checkbox. If we checked it, it will only find the match cases. Let's see this. I'm going back to worksheet.
Tutorial-Excel sheet 1 table holiday B1.
Here we have two holidays. One is in the B1 cell and second one is in the B8 cell. Now I'm going to write one of them in the uppercase letters and another one in the lowercase letters. Let's do.
Holiday B1. Caps lock on. Edit selected holiday. O-L-I-I-D-A-A-Y-Y unselected. Monday B2. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, holiday B8.
See the case in B8.
Edit holiday. H-O-L-I-D-A-Y.
So it is in the small case.
B9.
Now I'm opening Find and Replace tab.
Find and replace dialog. Find what colon. Edit Alt plus N blank.
Now I want to only replace the uppercase holiday with uppercase happy day.
H-O-L-I-D-A-Y. Replace with colon. Edit Alt plus E blank. H-A-P-P-Y-D-A-Y. Format, button within colon. Combo search colon. Combo look at colon. Combo match case checkbox not checked Alt plus C.
Now I'm pressing spacebar to check it.
Space checked.
Now if we press replace all button, then it will only replace the uppercase holiday. Let's see.
Match entire cell options less button or replace all button Alt plus A.
Replace all button. Now I'm pressing enter.
Microsoft Excel dialog all done. We made one replacement. OK button.
See, only one replacement has been made. So if we checked match case checkbox, then it will replace only the exact match case. I'm pressing OK button.
Find and replace dialog. Replace all button Alt plus A.
Let's see the worksheet.
Tutorial-Excel sheet 1 table happy day B1.
Now see the B8.
Holiday B8.
Only the value of B1 cell has been replaced by happy day. Now let's see the function of next option. I'm opening Find and Replace dialog box.
Find and replace dialog. Replace all button Alt plus A. Replace all button Alt plus A. Replace button Alt find all button find next button close button. Tab control. Replace find what colon. Replace with colon. Format within colon. Search colon. Look at colon. Match case checkbox checked Alt plus C. Space not checked.
I am pressing tab for the next option.
Match entire cell contents checkbox not checked Alt plus O.
Match entire cell content checkbox. Let's see the use. I am going back to the worksheet.
Tutorial-Excel sheet 1 table holiday B8.
Let's prepare some data. Let's imagine list of stationery items and their prices. I have written some items in the C column and their prices in the D column. Let's see.
Item C1. Pen C2, pencil C3, ink C4, color box C5, exercise book C6. Item C1, price D1, 100 D2, 90 D3, 0 D4, 0 D5, 200 D6.
In the D4 and D5 cell, the prices are 0. That means they are out of stock. Now I want to replace these two zeros with the comment out of stock. How can we do that? Let us first try with the general process. So I'm opening Find and Replace tab.
Find and replace dialog. Find what colon. Edit alt plus add blank.
I'm writing 0 here.
0. Replace with colon. Edit alt plus E blank.
I'm writing out of stock here.
O U T space O F space S T O C K.
Now I'm pressing Replace All button.
Format, but format within colon, search colon, look at colon, match case checkbox, nudge, match entire cell options, let's replace all button, alt plus A. Microsoft Excel dialog, all done. We made 7 replacements. OK button.
See, instead of replacing 2 zeros, it has replaced 7 zeros. Let's see the worksheet.
Find and replace dialog, replace all button, alt tutorial dash Excel, sheet 1 table, price D1.
I'm pressing down arrow.
1 out of stock D2.
It is telling 1, then the comment out of stock twice because it has replaced 2 zeros of the number 100. Now see the next cell.
9 out of stock D3.
It is telling 9 out of stock, means it has replaced the 0 of number 90. See the remaining cells.
Out of stock D4, out of stock D5, 2 out of stock D6.
So it has replaced all the zeros including the number 100, 90, 200 and 0 itself. Match entire cell content in the Find and Replace tab is the only solution for this type of problem. Let's use the option. To get back the prior values, at first I'm pressing Ctrl Z.
Price D1, 100 D2, 90 D3, 0 D4, 0 D5, 200 D6.
Now let's open Find and Replace tab.
Find and replace dialog. Find what colon. Edit alt plus N blank.
I'm writing 0 in the Find What.
0. Replace with colon. Edit alt plus E blank.
I'm writing the comment out of stock here.
O U T space O F space S T O C K. Format, but format within colon, search colon, look at colon, match case checkbox not checked alt plus C, match entire cell contents checkbox not checked alt plus O.
To check the checkbox, I'm pressing spacebar.
Space checked.
Now pressing Replace All button.
Options let replace all button alt plus A. Microsoft Excel dialog, all done. We made 2 replacements. OK button. Find and replace dialog, replace all button alt plus A.
Let's see the worksheet.
Tutorial dash Excel sheet 1 table 200 D6. Price D1, 100 D2, 90 D3, out of stock D4, out of stock D5, 200 D6.
See, we have gotten our solution. So these are the advanced options. And these options are same for Find tab and Find and Replace tab. Today our next topic is how to go to a specific cell directly using Go to dialog box. When we work with a large table, we often have to jump from one cell to another using Go to dialog box. Let's see. At first, let us see where we are. To listen the current focus, I am pressing NVDA key and tab.
200 cell D6.
We are in the D6. Now if you want to go directly to the D100 cell, then we have to use Go to dialog box. Let's open Go to dialog box by Ctrl G.
Go to dialog, go to colon, reference colon, edit alt plus R line 1 blank.
I'm writing the cell reference D100.
D100.
Now I'm pressing enter.
Tutorial dash Excel sheet 1 table D100.
See, we are in the D100 cell. Let's go to D250 cell. This time I am using function key F5 to open Go to dialog box.
Go to dialog, go to colon, reference colon, edit alt plus R selected D6.
Now I am writing the cell reference D250 here.
D250.
And pressing enter.
Tutorial dash Excel sheet 1 table D250.
See, we are in the cell D250. So with the help of Go to dialog box, we can directly reach any cell in the worksheet. We can also access Find and Replace dialog box and go to dialog box from Home tab. Let's see. I'm pressing Alt-H for the Home tab.
Ribbon tab control expanded. Home tab selected Alt H2 of 9.
Now I'm pressing Tab.
Home group cut button cut copies format office clip font edit all fonts home group decreased bold top italic top underlines border split button fill colors font color formats alignment middle align top bottom align orientation align left center top align right decreasing increasing wrap text merge and set format set number for home grouping percent stop comma stop increase that decrease that format cell num styles format cell stop cells grouping delete split format editing grouping off fill collapse can clear collapse sort and filter find and select collapse click to see options for finding text in your document. You can use advanced search options to replace text, jump right to a specific spot, or pick other ways to narrow your search. Alt H FD.
Find and select. Now I'm pressing Enter.
Find left parent CTRL plus F right parent search for text. Alt H FD FCTRL plus F.
Find. Now if we press Enter, then it will open the Find tab of Find and Replace dialog box. Now I'm pressing down arrow.
Replace left parent CTRL plus H right parent search for text you'd like to change and replace it with something else. Alt H FD RCTRL plus H.
Replace. It will open the Replace tab of